ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. If you have observed, in the last classes we learned the negative sentences like a didn't and do not. So today we will be learning not, usage of a not in a sentences. And these lessons are exclusively for spoken Kannada learners. So the conversation will be in colloquial version, not in the written form. I hope you have maintaining a notebook for these activities and to note down everything. If you have not, please maintain a notebook. That will be really helpful for you to take a note of everything and references and for your activities also. So start madana. So before starting, I just want to do a quick revision of a didn't. So didn't usage is basically, for example, didn't do is mad lilla. So you'll be adding that lilla at the end, okay? So madlilla. Don't do. We have a two version. One is a singular, that is madbeda. Don't do. So one is with respect is madbedi. I hope you are clear with these didn't and don't. Ivaga, if you observe, this is in a past tense. I didn't do this. I didn't watch that movie. I didn't go there. I didn't come to your home. All these things are in a past tense. Alva? So this one is don't do it. Immediately you are saying to the person very next to you. So for the second person you have a conversation. The one which you are learning now is a not. So which usually comes in a present tense. For example, I am not doing this. He is not doing. She is not doing. If you observe, likewise in a didn't, this is also one single usage for everything, irrespective of a gender, irrespective of a singular and the plural. So we'll learn. It's very simple, similar to madlilla. I'm not doing. Madtilla. Tilla. So here you will use lilla. Here it is tilla. Clear alla? Wonderful, yes. Verb mad and tilla. Madtilla. I'm not working. Naan work madtilla. I'm not driving. Naan drive madtilla. So English usage of verbs is very simple. Drive madtilla. I'm not driving. He is not driving. She is not driving. I'm not cooking. Cook madtilla. So if you observe, I'm not using the Kannada verbs. I'm using directly the English verbs ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So cook ಮಾಡು, plan ಮಾಡು, buy ಮಾಡು, order ಮಾಡು, book ಮಾಡು, verify ಮಾಡು, call ಮಾಡು, message ಮಾಡು, email ಮಾಡು, all these things, think ಮಾಡು, everything you can use in English comfortably till you learn the new verbs in Kannada. So comfortably you can use it. But there are few verbs which you cannot use in Kannada, which you cannot use in English, like as eat. You can't say eat ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. You can't say drink ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. You can't say watch ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So for all those things, it's better to learn verbs in Kannada. Okay. So eat is tinnu, we already know. Tintilla. I am not eating sandwich. I am not drinking beer. Naan beer kuditilla. Naan beer or beer kuditilla. Naan movie ನೋಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I am not watching the movie. Naan song ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Listening. Okay. Naan song ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So this kelu can also be used for, kelu is actually will be used for ask. Listen is kelusko. But this is also completely fine. I can use it comfortably. There is nothing problem with that one. But I'll also write the right version of a listen is keluskotilla. Keluskotilla. Okay na? So there are many verbs like this, and also helu. Helu is tell. Naan ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. And be very specific when you are pronouncing the la in helu. Okay, do not say hel la. It's very absurd meaning. Naan ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I'm not saying anything. Naan ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I'm not doing anything. Naan ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು is basically anything or nothing. ಏನು nothing is ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so try using these not usage with respect to others also. For example, she is not doing, she is not watching movie, she is not going home, she is not coming here, adella use ಮಾಡಿ. And for come, it's baru. Okay, do not use ba for in any of the cases. Bartilla. Okay, only in the past tense it will become ba, bande, banda, bandlu, bandru. But here in all the rest of the cases it's a baru. I'll do a special video on that one. That will be really helpful for you. Hope ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಚ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟು ವಾಚ್ ಮೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಆಯಿತು. If you want a soft copy, you can take a soft copy, or if you want a hard copy like this, you can just drop me a message. I'll get the hard copy for you. It will be shipped to your address anywhere in India. Outside India, it's quite difficult. I've not yet come across the partners. So within India, ellidira heli, please do let me know. I'll let you know about the much more details. So thank you so much. Practice ಮಾಡಿ. I'll meet you all with another video ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.